Hello everyone. Are you good at organizing things? Have you ever been told that you are a go-to person when something needs to get things done? If the answer is yes, then the project management might be the perfect career choice for you. In this video, I am going to walk you through what project management is, what are the skills and the tools you need to know, and what a typical day will look like in the life of a project manager. How much you can earn and how to actually get started into the career, and even if you have a zero experience, then how you can move forward. So what is project management? Project management is all about turning various ideas into reality, and that you have to do it efficiently. Whether it is building a bridge, launching a product, let it be a software, organizing a large event, a project management role makes sure that it gets done on time, within budget, and within the desired, and we get the desired results that we want to achieve with project. Think of them as the captain of the ship, coordinating the crew, navigating the waters, and making sure that destination is reached. This is the most important thing that you should understand about project management. So what are the skills and the tools required that you must understand, you must know to be a good project manager? You don't need to be a tech genius or have an MBA to start this project management. Okay, first of all, you have to make it clear. What do you need are solid organizing skills, clear communication. You must have a problem solving attitude and the ability to stay calm even when things don't go as planned. So if I talk about tools, then at least you must know about Microsoft Excel. If you know Trello and Asana or ClickUp type of tools, then that will be good. For advanced project management, I'll say you must know project management. That is MS Project, Microsoft Project, and Jira and Power BI. These are the very good tools that you must know for advanced project management. And if you if you have used checklists, timelines, and trackers in your daily life, then you have already got the PM mindset ready with you. Then, what are the job roles and industry that you should focus and what are available there? So, project managers work in almost every industry now. Let it be IT, let it be healthcare, education, finance, construction, or even the entertainment industry. Every industry is having a project manager role nowadays. Roles vary from role may be like project coordinator. It may be like scrum master also. The name may be agile coach. Now the senior project manager, project coordinator. You might be managing app development in a tech company or overseeing a training rollout in an airline operator. The options are very much, and there is a huge number of roles available. You can just search it on the even Naukri or LinkedIn, anything. If I say about career growth and what is the salary that you can get in this role is like because let's talk money, that's important for any job. So entry level project managers normally earn from 4 to 7 LPA in India. If I talk about US, there even entry level project managers earn somewhere close to $70,000. With just 5 to 10 years of experience, your salary will easily be going to almost 20 to 25 LPA or even more. If you are in a tech or consulting industry, you can even earn higher than this. Okay, it's a very simple estimation. And if you have a certification like PMP, Project Management Professional Certification, or Prince 2 certification, Agile or Scrum certification, then you are at the gem. You will be instantly more competitive and respected in the industry. There is undoubtedly this will be. So how it will work is how let's break it down into the simple action steps how you can be a good project manager basically. So step one is first of all learn the basics, because without basics you will not be a project manager. So learn the basic from YouTube or use Coursera or Udemy, any free blogs you just follow, or you even we are posting videos on our channel also in management in minutes. You can just watch all these things and you can learn the basics from all these things. Then step 2 will be pick a beginner friendly certification, any certification that you can take. I'll suggest Google Project Management or CAPM certification. That is a beginner level certification that you can just take, and you can move forward in your life. Third thing is volunteer or freelance for the smaller project, manage small events, internship or side gigs, so that you know better about project management, and it will be more hands-on for you. And in the last step, build your resume with real examples and track your impact. You have to make real projects to prove it to the say the sponsor or the person who will be giving you the job. So this is all. Project management isn't just a job. Basically, it is a mindset that how you get the things done. It's for the leaders, for the doers, and for the problem solvers. If you have these qualities, then rest assured that you are going to be a good project manager. If that sounds like you hit the you liked this, and it helped you, this video helped you, so please hit the like button and subscribe for more career focused videos. We'll be bringing more of such videos in times to come. And drop a comment if you want any help choosing your first PM course. Let's turn your potential into a real world success, one project at a time. Okay, thank you.